want to show you our most unique lighting products, which is our antler chandeliers.
So I'm a mountain girl from way back, and I feel like I have seen an antler pendant or two in my time.
Yeah, so these antler chandeliers are actually made from resin.
Seems like a far more ethical approach.
Yes, definitely. And the benefit of resin is that it's not too heavy on your ceiling.
Yes. I feel like these would just naturally find their way into any kind of mountain or country house.
They would suit any of those houses, and they have a really eclectic feel, and they work great with leather furniture as well.
What I would recommend is hanging them as low as humanly possible. Sometimes people make the mistake of hanging your pendant light way too high, but really what you want is that intimate height. So when you're at a dining table, you can kind of just see the top of it out of your eyesight.
And they're really like the centerpiece of a room.